Hello, good morning to everyone. Okay, today we discuss about the concept of functions. Okay, as you learn about the functions in first year class already, okay, you know the definition of function also. Okay, function is a specific type of relation. Okay, means every relation is not a function, but every functions are relations. Okay, function means that is f is a function from A to B is said to be a function. Every element of A has a unique images in B. That is called a function. A set of elements of A are called domain. Set of elements of B are called codomain. Okay, then set of images from A to B are called range elements. Okay, also we already know that range is also subset of codomain. Okay. Today also we discussed about the types of functions, specific type of functions in already first year class. In second year class specifically, there are 2 to 3 functions, type of functions we have studies. In first one, in that first one, that is a one-one function. The one-one function tells that okay, different elements of domain have different images in B. Such function is called one-one function. Means domain elements in the codomain images ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು that type of function ನಾವು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ one one function ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, that is x and y are the different elements of domain A. F of x and f of y are the elements of B. Already know function of x means x or function of x means it is an element of codomain or it is an element of range. That is f of x equal to f of y, that implies x equal to y is the definition of one-one function. I show here arrow diagrammatically for one-one function. Okay, it is this function is f is a function from A to B. Set of elements of A are codomain elements. Set of elements of B are codomain elements. Okay, then related elements are already range elements as you know already. Okay, here is this is a function or not first. Okay, specifically is a function. Means one is the image of B, that is a 2 image is C, then 3 image is A, means this is definitely which type of function? One-one function. Why? Because different elements of A has a different images now. Specifically different element. 1 is related to B, 2 is related to C, 3 is related to A. That means this is definitely which type of function? One-one function. This is a specifically one-one function. Okay, next. For example, 2 here is 1 is related to B, 2 is related to A, 3 is also related to A. Here it is, and 4 is related to C. There is no problem at 1 and 4, but it is a problem for 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are the images specific. Only one image in B means 2 has a image, 3 has a image in B. That's why this is definitely not a one-one function. Not a one-one function, it is a many-one function. Okay, specific definition is there. It is a many-one function, but it is not a one-one function. One-one function tells that different elements of domain have different images. Means specifically, as the name indicates, one-one function is one-to-one image. Okay, that type of function is called a one-one function. That's why this example number 2 is not a one-one function. Next, pass on to the third example. Here it is. Third example is also. Okay, specifically here it is f from A to B. Again, P, Q are the elements of domain. X, Y, Z are the elements of codomain. Again, P is related to Y, Q is related to Z, R is related to X. Definitely, this is a one-one function. This is a one-one function. Okay, this is regarding about the concept of one-one function. As you understood, here it is. Okay, this is the examples for one-one function and the definition for one-one function. Next type of function is the onto function. Is every codomain elements have at least one pre-image in the domain. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು codomain elements ನಿಂದ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಏನು ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವೇನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು at least ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆದರೂ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು. at least ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದರೂ ನಡೀತದ. at least one codomain elements from A, that type of function is called onto function. Okay, in another function, another definition for onto function. If a function f from A to B is said to be onto function if domain codomain is equal to range. ಅಂದ್ರೆ codomain elements ಏನಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವು range elements ಗೆ equal ಆದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ which type of function ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ onto function ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. For definition ಅಲ್ಲಿ y is the element of codomain, then there exists x is the element of domain such that f of x is equal to y. Okay, this is the definition of onto function. Okay, example aerodynamically I show here. This is a function. Okay, which type of function? Already seen that this is a one-one function. Okay, it is a onto function or not. Okay, first type of onto function. Onto function tells that codomain elements have at least one pre-image in domain, right? Okay, codomain elements has A, B, C. A has a one pre-image 3, right? B has a one pre-image 1. C has a one pre-image 2. Definitely this function is a onto function. This function is a onto function. Okay, or another definition I have written that range is equal to codomain. Okay, what are the range elements? F of 1 is A, f of 1 is B, f of 2 is C, f of 3 is A. What is the range? Range means A, B, C. What is codomain? Codomain is set elements A, B, C. That's why codomain is equal to range. That's why this function is onto function. ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಒಂದೇ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಎರಡನೇ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಎರಡನೇ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ f is a function from A to B is said to be onto function. Range is equal to codomain. Range elements what? A, B, C are the range elements. Similarly, codomain is set of codomain elements as B elements A, B, C. That's why range equal to codomain. That function is called onto function. Okay. Next second example. Again here this 1 is the element of B, 2 is the element of A, 3 is the element of A, 4 is the element of C. Okay, definitely this function is onto function, but it is not onto function as I tell in yesterday's class or before class. Okay, that is A, B, C is domain elements or A, B, C are the codomain elements. Similarly, A, B, C are the elements of range elements. That's why codomain is equal to range. That's why this function is onto function. This function is also onto function. For this clarification, every codomain elements have at least one pre-image. A is the pre-image of 2 and 3. At least one. ಅದೇನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರು ನಡೀತದ. ಒನ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೋಡೋಮೇನ್ ಎ ಇಂದ ಎ ಗೆ ಪ್ರಿ-ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ? 2 ಇರಬಹುದು ಇರ್ಲಿ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಗೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಪ್ರಿ-ಇಮೇಜ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ಸಿ ಗೆ ಪ್ರಿ-ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನಿದೆ? 4 ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಎವ್ರಿ codomain elements have. Okay, in third example, okay, f is a function from A to B. P, Q, R are the elements of set A. X, Y, Z, W are the elements of set B. Okay, it is X is a pre-image. X has a pre-image R. Y has a pre-image B. Z has a pre-image Q. What about W? The W is an empty element in codomain B. That's why every codomain element have at least one pre-image. Means W has no pre-image. That's why this function is not onto function. This is the first definition. Means ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಕೋಡೋಮೇನ್ ಒಳಗ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಬಾರ್ದು, ಎಂಟಿ ಉಳಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟಿ ಉಳಿತಂದ್ರ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಆನ್ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಇಂಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಒಂದ್ ತರ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತರ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ f from A to B is said to be onto function. Range equal to codomain. Range elements ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Range elements ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ? X, Y, Z set elements. Then what about the range codomain elements? Codomain elements are X, Y, Z, W. It is not equal to X, Y, Z set. X, Y, Z set ಬೇರೆ, X, Y, Z, W set ಬೇರೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ range is not equal to codomain. That's why the function is not onto function. Onto function is also called surjective function. One function is also called injective function.